Hello everyone and welcome back to our coding tutorial series. In this series, we will write 20 types of number programs. In today's video, we are going to learn how to write a Java program to check if a number is composite or not. This video is going to be more interesting and I promise you'll not be bored anytime throughout the video. A composite number is a positive integer that has more than two distinct positive divisors. Don't worry if that sounds a bit complicated right now. Let me give you some examples and it will be clear to you. So 7 is not a composite number. Now why? Because 7 has only two divisors, which is 1 and the number itself. It meets the criteria of prime numbers. It has only two divisors, which is 1 and 7. But 9 is a composite number. Why? Because 9 has three divisors, which is 1, the number itself, and additionally it has 3 as its divisor. Since it has more than 2 divisors, it meets the criteria for being a composite number. Similarly 4, 6, 8, 15, and so on, they are all composite numbers. Interesting, right? So before starting the program, I'm giving a home task. Try to find the difference between composite numbers and prime numbers. Now let us start writing the program. Here we have created a scanner object to read input from the console. Then we prompt the user to enter a positive integer and then store it in a variable num. Here we use a for loop to iterate from 2 up to num minus 1. Inside the loop, we check if the num is divisible by I without a remainder. If it is, we set the is composite flag to true and we break out from the loop. This indicates that the number is composite. Here, if the composite flag is true, we display the number is a composite number. Done. Now let us run the code. We can see 7 is not a composite number. Let us run the code again. Giving the input as 9. We can see 9 is a composite number. So what we can observe is the program effectively determines whether a given number is a composite number or not. Feel free to explore and modify the code for further practice, and if you have any doubts, please feel free to leave them down in the comments and you can give some ideas for the future videos. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more coding tutorials. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.